So starting off with the first hairstyle, but before that I'm going to be applying the Pantene Pro-V oil replacement cream in my hair. I usually apply this on my mid-lengths to ends, and this really helps in deep conditioning my dry damaged ends. I keep this in my hair for about an hour or two, and then I just rinse it off with regular cool water. For the first hairstyle, begin by taking a middle parting. Take a 2-inch section on the side like this. Just twist it like this, moving towards the back, super simple. Then hold it with one hand and just pull on it to open it up a little bit. Secure it with a bobby pin or U-pin, moving it inwards. Repeat the exact same twisting process on the other side. Now just tie both the sections away really nicely at the back. Now after that, what you want to do is take a small section right under the top twist. Now take the section, twist it a couple of times, take it over the twist and then just gently pull it out. Now using the same section, keep twisting it around the top twist again and again. Pull on it slightly to just open it up and then secure it with a U-pin, moving it inwards. It's super simple and you just gotta repeat the same thing on the other side. So all you need to remember is to take a small section and twist it on top of the twist and pull it out through the gap. And that's about it. That's how it looks. I think this is a super cute hairstyle that will go with all of your dresses and really cute tops for college. Now what I really like about the Pantene oil replacement cream is that it also serves as a serum. So in case you're getting late for college or school, you can just apply this on your mid-lengths to ends on damp hair and just let it dry naturally. Now using the first twist that I created, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the hair towards the back and make a low ponytail. I'm going to tie it away using a good quality rubber band. Now what you want to do is pull a 1-inch section out from the side and just wrap that around the rubber band easily. Hold it right under the ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin. And this way the bobby pin won't even be seen. Scrunch up your ponytail a little bit and that's about it. You can either go with your hair open or take all of this into the ponytail if you're running late or it's a hot summer day. Alright, so moving on to hairstyle number 3, begin by taking a side parting like this. Now divide another section till the back of your ear. Now clip the hair on the other side just to keep it out of the way. I'm going to be taking a little bit of the cream and then just applying it to my hair. Now this will just help me smoothen out all the frizz or flyaways so my braid looks really neat and clean. So take a 1-inch section on the top and do a regular 3-strand braid. Then take a small section from the front and add that to the middle section and braid again. Take it towards the back and secure it using bobby pins. Now pull on the braid to open it up slightly if you want. Finishing this off by applying a little bit of the cream again because I wanted the braid to look really nice and tidy and tight. I think this hairstyle is really perfect if you have a meeting or a formal occasion in college. Okay, so I really like to apply this cream also before I can just blast dry my hair using medium heat. This makes my hair really soft when I apply it, and it also protects it from any kind of heat that I'm going to be applying it before styling. So for the hairstyle, and this one is one of my favorites because it's a bit loose and messy. So just take a 1-inch section on the top like this. So for the previous one we kept it tied, but for this one it's going to be loose and just halfway. So just do a regular strand braid, add a 2-inch section, a slightly thicker section from the front, add it to the middle section and braid normally. Do this for about 3 sections and try keeping the braid slightly loose and easy. And then take it towards the back and secure it using bobby pins. Now this hairstyle and braid, it's all about adding volume. Take a section behind the braid and just back comb it slightly at the roots to add volume. Again, smoothing out any kind of frizz and flyaways that I have. I also like using this cream on my hair because of the consistency. It really helps in adding a little bit of texture and also helps my color look a lot more vibrant. So another way you can use the oil replacement cream is by applying this from the roots to the lens. Keep it in for about 2 to 3 hours. You can also leave this overnight. Now this will really help in adding the extra dose of nourishment and hydration to your hair. It will also help in repairing your hair overnight. So starting off with the hairstyle, begin by taking a middle parting. Split a section of hair into 2 halves like this. Now this is a twist braid, so all you have to remember is to twist both the section towards the back. And then what you want to do is take the front section towards the back section. It's super easy. You have to remember to twist both the section towards the back and then twist the front section over the back section. Then take the section towards the back and then secure it with bobby pins. Simply repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Now this twist really helps in adding a lot of volume to your hair. So if you're somebody who has fine hair, this kind of a twist will really help in adding volume and look amazing on you. Now if your hair gets super tangled before you can comb it, please don't go ahead and comb it and break your hair. Use a little bit of this cream on your mid-lengths to ends. Now this will soften your hair. It will also help the comb glide through your hair a lot easier, and you will not be causing any sort of hair breakage or damage to your hair this way. Take a 1/8 section on the top and start twisting it towards the back. And when you're twisting it, just pull on it slightly to open it up, especially on the top, and this can also look like a poof. Secure it at the back and then do the exact same thing on both the sides. I really like adding these kind of twists on the top, especially if your hair is fine. This just really helps in adding a lot of volume and bounce on the top. Now take the rest of your hair into a really high ponytail. Tie it up using a good quality rubber band, and that's about it. This is your everyday ponytail for college or school. Another way I like to use the oil replacement cream is by applying this on my hair before I can shampoo and condition. Now why this is important is that if you use too much of the shampoo, that can really dry out your hair further. By using the oil replacement cream, it's going to protect your hair and make sure that the extra moisture from your hair is not pulled out when you shampoo. So for this, I'm going to be taking all of my hair towards the back and tying it into a ponytail like this. And then take the ponytail and just loosely keep twisting it. Now what you want to do is just take a small section of hair out from the ponytail and then push the rest of your hair towards the back. And you can easily see this has really helped in adding a lot of volume into my hair. And then simply keep twisting this around, forming a bun. Secure it really well from all the sides using U-pins. Pull on the top section slightly just to add a lot of volume all around. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There is also a very cool giveaway. The first 100 people who would comment on this video will win the Pantene Oil Replacement Cream. So please check the description box for all the details. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Bye!